Bunker shots in golf, mastering the challenge. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of golf terminology, specifically focusing on the term bunker shot. Whether you're a golf enthusiast, a language learner, or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. Let's explore what a bunker shot is and why it's an important part of golf. In this section, let's break down the term. A bunker in golf refers to a sand trap, which is a challenging area on a golf course filled with sand. It's usually located near the green or along the fairway. The term shot in golf refers to the act of striking the golf ball. So, a bunker shot is the stroke a golfer makes when the ball is in a bunker. Bunker shots are known for their difficulty. The sand's unpredictable nature makes it harder to control the ball. Additionally, the rules of golf state that a player cannot ground their club in a bunker before the shot, adding to the challenge. This means the club cannot touch the sand before hitting the ball. To execute a successful bunker shot, golfers use specific techniques. Open stance and club face. The golfer stands with their feet and club face slightly open, pointing to the left for a right-handed player. Swing path. The swing should be smooth, focusing on hitting the sand just behind the ball. Follow through. A complete follow-through is essential to ensure the ball gets out of the bunker. Bunker shots are not just a technical term, they're part of the golfing culture. Great bunker shots are often celebrated and can be pivotal moments in golf tournaments. They represent a mix of skill, precision, and mental fortitude. I hope this explanation helps you understand the term bunker shot in the context of golf. It's a great example of how a single term can encompass technique, rules, and culture in a sport. Thanks for watching, and whether you're on the golf course or learning English, remember to enjoy the journey.